Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set called Patterned Play. You will find this stamp set on page 102 of the annual catalog, and it is paired with the alphabet dies. And I haven't used the stamp set yet. I've used the dies lots, but not the stamp set. And I have a lot of stamp sets on my shelf that have not been used, so I got to get going with it. So I'm using a slimline card today. So a slimline card is sized 8.5 by, let me just double check, 8.5 by 7, and then scored at the middle at 3.5. These are all the rage right now. Everybody loves a good slimline card. So I have stamped the sentiment that says, cue the confetti, and now I am putting confetti on the card. I have Granny Apple Green as ink here. One of my favorite blues, Pacific Point. That's the color of my car, by the way, in case you didn't know that. It's a Ford Fiesta, and it's called Candy Blue is what they call that color. And then I have Real Red here. And I do have my Stampin' Scrub on my right hand side. I cut it out of the video, but I did wash or clean my stamp before I went from blue to red, just so you know. Or else I would have had a funky color, I guess, hey? And I random stamped. I did the green, I did the blue, I did the red. I left some white space. And then I went in with the inside sentiment that says, fill the day with all your guilty pleasures. So if that's not giving someone permission to eat the whole birthday cake, I don't know what is. And then I decided, okay, this is such a simple card, one layer card. It might be a little bit different because it's slimline, but let's jazz it up a little bit. So I put in the Artistry Bloom sequins. And normally I don't like sequins that have adhesive on the back of them. These ones are completely amazing. They are Coastal Cabana, Calypso Coral, Mango Melody, and Rich Razzleberry are their colors, but they shine differently. Like there's apparently a blue in here too. Well, the Coastal Cabana to me is like more balmy blue, to be honest, and the Rich Razzleberry kind of looks like red, and the Mango Melody looks like it's green. Does that make sense? Can you see that? Anyway, I'm not going crazy, or I might be fully on crazy. Doesn't matter. It looks good on the card, and I sprinkled those bits of confetti with abandon because, you know, I did my taxes this weekend and I am going a little nuts. So I needed a little bit of crafting to help offset that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the card. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.